General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's do the work. So, charts, coffee. Do NASDAQ first. Monthly. It's a 200 day. I don't know why I got it on the month. Monthly's bullish. Next bullish level looks like 30K. We'll get it. Yeah. And we locked in our bearish. Say previous month's high. What is this? A 3-point? That's previous month's high. Is this 11? It is. We got 30K. Here we got previous month's high on the weekly. We still bullish on the weekly. Say previous week's range. Previous week's range. Let me give it this color. Flat size. Here we go. I really think this week's range is going to be important as well. I'm kind of interested in this gap. And I'm kind of interested in, well, I'm interested in this as a whole. The gap is here. I'll put 50%. Let's give it this color. Is this a 2 point? Give it a 2 point. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna look at because this is a new gap. We never made it down here. Below here, we can create an order block, whatever. I could look at 50% of this range, like, targeting this candle low. But you might as well look at this because we can have some type of reaction here and continue bullish delivery in the longer span. This is a weekly chart. Closing through this on the weekly, or at least closing through 50%, is good because CSD and 50% is like a CSD in itself. And so the weekly's bullish. Our bullish level would be previous week's high. And our bearish level would be the weekly fair value gap. Let's look at the daily. Daily, I would say this is more of a consolidation. The other two were more bullish expansions. Technically, by definition, taking highs. It took a high. You ain't closed past it, but you can see here is just we're slowing down. I don't like this order block as a level. I mean, it's kind of cool. It did take these candle highs. This candle. I actually would prefer it to stay below here. Just because this is such a big candle. This is a retracement for this candle, and it's probably OTE. What's this? OTE is here. So this order block in its whole entirety would almost be the retracement. Not really the whole order block though. Let's say if I do this. It has a weird way of, yeah, this looks like OTE. This 50% of this order block level. Alright, so a lot of this can be done away with. And then we can put this here. Mm. I would also watch this too. It'll be a retracement area. Bearish. We already got this. You can always look at daily lows. This week is interesting. But I feel like this is the most interesting because it's a flat bottom. Mm. Kobe Bryant number 8. Kind of consolidation. Bullish level will be the order block, or the bullish level be the flat bottom. The bullish level will be the order block. Bearish level will be the flat bottom. All right, coming from the H4, do got the flat bottom here. Looks like we just tapped this and we're ready to go. Very true. That's what it looks like. What is this? Week 3, 2, 1. Premium discount. Wrong way. This is week 1 here. All right. It's previous week's EQ right around the flat bottom. Previous week's low. We so close to 30K. It's crazy. We don't really have nothing but random numbers up there now. I don't think I need to add anything here. This kind of says it all right here. We got previous week's high here, flat bottom here, and obviously liquidity void here, but it's within this. And we go on original consolidation targets. I think we okay. Let's look at the H1. Yeah, H1 looks decent as well. All right, we're gonna go one at a time. SPX. What's over here too? But it's not. What is it over here? It's 7,700. Boom. And then previous month's high here as well. It really don't be that much charting. Them higher time frame levels though be key. That's high. Boom. Then the week. I need previous week's range over here. Let's use this color. Do we have a gap here? We do. We got a prominent volume imbalance though. Okay. I'm gonna put this line on too. There we go. On the daily, what do we got? Similar. We got the order block. That is the retracement. So we can get OTE plus order block. I want it on open price. There we go. Real deal order block. And then, wow, we got a flat bottom here too. This has to be an event. We didn't have nothing on the 4 hour on. Some more projections. We're pretty close as far as projections and stuff, but 3, 2, yeah, can get this week 1. I like to know where the original consolidation at. Okay, let's do this. Go to SPY. 770 here. Still not that far. No great alert. Previous month's high. Previous week's range. Look at how previous week's EQ is on that wick. I'm pretty sure it's already on 2. It is. It's crazy how we still got this gap here. It kind of re-delivered with the wick. So we gapped up. We pushed up. The next day we gapped up. I don't see the flat bottom over here either. So that's a New York session thing. I mean, the overnight session. I had to gap up overnight, never returned. Mm. The suspension block is kind of interesting. But I'm kind of wondering if I should look at this one. But we're right around previous week's EQ. As far as premium levels, I watch this volume imbalance first. For discount, I'll do same thing. Okay. So the 4 hour, we kind of got the same thing. Respecting this inefficiency here. Crazy gap right there. Mm. Yeah, that'll work for premium. I don't think I need anything for discount. I mean, this does look like a close to an open. It is. Those opening range gaps. I see you, ICT. So we're coming back down. We're leaving one, going to one. Leaving the volume balance, going to one. Okay. Hmm. Let's see what 730 hitting on. It's basically the 30K for NASDAQ. Yeah, it is. This one's high. It's weekly, same thing. Okay. Then on a daily, probably got the same thing. Yeah. Even the volume balance, two a volume balance. Nah, this one's it's not fresh. This is a fresh one. It's interesting. This is still interesting because it's not efficient. You kind of want bodies. Like we feeling the bodies here with this. Let's do it this way. This is right at that other gap too. Q puts look interesting, especially this price. What is this daily? Okay. This is a liquidity pool, but it's matching this. So it's redundant. Do we got those same gaps here? 1330. Yeah, we do. So give me the wick zone. And this is the last opening range gap that we left. So from this opening range gap to this opening range gap. That's probably how you gotta just trade stocks. If you're an ICT trader. Right. See the reaction at the levels. That type of vibe. Look at NVIDIA. King of the NASDAQ and the SPY. Number one stock in the world, Craig. Let's get some Wells. What's this? 241.87. That's a monthly fit. Take this off, and then let's get previous month's high. Okay. Alright, let's get previous week's range here. This is actually interesting because it's a different chart. So we closed around EQ at a range. That's normal for some earnings this week on the 20th, I believe. Discount. Could probably say this week because it took all that. Like it's a cool little stop hunt. Honestly, I'll look at this candle. One that's a down candle. It's been manipulated. Like the high and low has been ran. So EQ should be sensitive. Put this in. Trying to figure out what color. I guess I have to work because it's my weekly color. Alright. So I got the bodies. Yeah. Support a block. Because the other ones were fair value gaps. Matter of fact, let's do it like this. Alright, that'll work. Still keep his property in his time frame. Alright, on the daily. Yeah, this daily candle is significant. Make this purple. Lots of volume imbalances. I do. Is this a new day opening gap? Previous week's low is interesting just by itself. See this. just inefficient. It's inefficient here too, but we too close to even market. This is the next inefficiency. All right. We got this here already, so we don't need the gap. All right. I think that's that on that. Let's get the hour. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's do the chart work part of the work, not the chart part. Okay. It's week 4. The 18th through the 22nd. Cerebrosaurus IPO day. Wow. GU pound steady $1.30. Traders push through soaring inflation. That's interesting way to frame the news. This minutes. Where's the red folder news? Okay, it's week 4. Makes sense. And then it's a 5-week month. So it's real shaky. I wonder if Washington's gonna be like, man, they don't get the minutes. He hasn't spoken yet either. That's an orange folder news. Unemployment and PMI. On Thursday. Catch my eye. It should be red. I forgot who I was looking at. He was a Forex trader. He was talking about how they be changing the colors of some of these events. And there's really no reason to, like, if that's an important metric. COT for the SPY. I know the SPY pops up first. Here we go. Let this. Let's take a look at it. They're adding on to both sides. They're adding lots of longs. Wow, that's a lot. They're adding on shorts too. Non-commercials adding lots of they're adding lots of shorts on non-commercials. Commercials hold all along, open interest. Let's see what this got here. Total net positions, non-commercials are bearish, commercials are bullish, non-portables are bullish. Net bullish commercial, small traders. Large specs are bearish. Latest position including only active reporters. It's bearish. So when removing non-reportable small traders, the active reportable side is still net short 89,000 contracts. This is not a clean breakout from the COT. Commercials are net long, which is constructive, but only by 40,000 contracts. So 2% of open interest. That is supportive, but not extreme. Large specs are clearly short, small traders are long, which can help the bullish reversal case, but the commercial position is not strong enough by itself to call for an immediate major move. Consolidate with mild bullish reversal buys rather than confirmed breakout. So this is kind of the same as last week. See anything that sticks out. I wonder why the space is so short. Probably geopolitical. Ain't no telling. It's all kind of nonsense going on now. Let's paste this and let's get the CLT for NASDAQ. The FOMC minutes this week is going to be interesting. I want to hear that dude talk though. Yeah, let's put this in. Here's NASDAQ CLT. Let's look at it. Their commercials are offloading their shorts. That's gonna. So they took profits. These dudes taking off long. This looks way weaker as far as like the number of contracts. It's gonna be lame for the summer. Non-reported, yeah. Commercials are bullish. Net bearish to large specs. Okay, they're agreeing this time. Horizon True Season cycle low bullish month. They're saying seasonals people can be buying in because of seasonal. They sure is buying this thing though, which is crazy. For the sake of space, close this up. Minutes, I'm not really. I'm kind of looking at Thursday. It has more stuff I look at. Let's look at this Fed watch. Yeah, we're not getting no cut for the 17th of June. Which is like a month from now. everything's toe up right now because shipping. What the ship? Okay, let's get to this current week. Nvidia, yeah, big dog. Nothing on Friday. Let's make sure there ain't no sleepers. Home Depot's cool. Target is cool. Zim, I heard of them. Walmart, big dog. Walmart is a big dog. That's crazy. They put that in top 10 of Nasdaq. Advanced Auto Parts is a good stock. So we'll just grab from here. Yeah, from here to here. Wednesday after hours, Nvidia. And then Thursday pre-market, Walmart. Because Walmart is now in the top 10. They're gonna put SpaceX in the Nasdaq too. It's the top 10 Nasdaq stock now. Wednesday and Thursday, the two big dogs. Let's look at the sentiment. Seems like there's sentiment's creeping back in. Let's look at the fear and greed. Okay, greed's coming down a little bit. Not as greedy as last week. Seems like more people are talking about the market when everybody was scared. Get 9 weeks of days on Nasdaq. Nasdaq weekly. Uh, 9 right now. Boom. So 9 week storyline. Yeah, this looks like it's about time according to the actual cycles. You should start seeing a turnaround, at least the retracement. The last 9 weeks, days, been bullish. Mm. April is the low. April is the anchor. Store the price alignment. Since the ceasefire and the blockade, that was the one too. The ceasefire was like, oh, and the blockade was like to the moon, gauging. Just look at the spot. Okay. This is PX. The 20-day low. 20-day look back low. Seems reasonable. For a retracement objective. Just like a little range we could use, sweep both sides, maybe keep going back up. But definitely, that's what it's looking like. Anchor point inside April. Story to price alignment. Everyday AI. China. Okay, let's read China. These top CEOs to do business. I mean, you gotta admit these deals being made out of control. Super bullish. Let's look at the spot chart. Mm. The candles are not real big. I guess you would say large range, regular trading hour day. Wow. What's the anchor? The anchor is April lows. Yeah. Store the price alignment. Slow but bullish. Engager. Okay. Less shots, more selection. Adrenaline and 10. Doing good. Let's go deeper. Case study, high plant. Going through daily deliveries. Looking at consolidation zones. Sure, all you gotta do is just look at NASDAQ Q1. That's it right there. Conservative. I think 1% more if institutions get in on the sale. It's definitely with this week, Wednesday, because of NVIDIA. Wednesday is NVIDIA day. Boom. All right. That's that on that. Have a good day. Peace.